In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Spotify mobile app if it is misbehaving. If the app keeps on crashing, or it can't open, or you can't play music directly from this app, then follow these steps to solve the problem. Now first, go to settings, and from settings, look for the option called apps, and apps is here. Then from here, look for manage apps, and this will open all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now scroll down until you get to Spotify, and here is my Spotify app. Open it, and then we want to clear data on our Spotify app. Now if we go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache, and the accumulation of cache is the main reason why your app keeps on crashing or can't respond. So go ahead and clear the cache by tapping on clear data here, and then choose the option called clear cache. Then tap on OK. And as you can see now, we have 0 cache. Now from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening your app. It should start working fine. But in case that didn't solve your problem, then follow the next step, which is updating the app through the Play Store. So go to Play Store and then look for your app. And from here, look for any update if it is available. As you can see, I have an update here, and it might be one of the reasons why this app is misbehaving. So go ahead and click on update. Then it will be updated to the latest version to fix all my issues. And once the update is done, it will go ahead and install the latest version. And then now go ahead and click on open to get a fresh new start on your app. So that's how you fix any issues on your Spotify app. But should you still experience any problem, then you may want to go ahead and install the app and then install it afresh through the Google Play Store. So by using any of these methods, you will solve your problem. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.